So we heard, like, of course, we heard the story about how iShine came along, but obviously we deal with the captains and crew every day. So I'm very curious to see here, like, well, obviously you're doing customer support, so you deal with the crew on a daily basis, and they probably have tons of questions how to use the product or when to use which part of product. What would be your common answer?
Well, it depends because, well, first of all, we've got a very big range, a broad range of products. So we've got the accessories, we've got the pads, we have our main rubbing compounds, 1, 2 and 3, and then we've got our sealant and top coat, which is the number 4 and 5, and then the ceramic coatings. So first is a lot of crew ask us which they should use, whether as sealants, number 4 and number 5, or whether they should use ceramic coatings. So it totally depends first on what type of paint they're treating, whether it's polyurethane or whether it's acrylic, and then which kind of treatment they want as a long-lasting treatment. So whether they want it for just like a yearly maintenance or whether they want it for a longer period of time. So for example, for bigger vessels, we usually recommend the ceramic coatings because to properly maintain a yacht, especially for big areas, is very difficult for the crew to maintain. So ceramic coatings is the one that we would recommend. And then for like smaller vessels, especially with gel coat ones, we would recommend the number 4, number 5. So those are the type of questions we get asked, which type of sealants, and also whether they should use a strong rubbing compound or a soft rubbing compound.
So do you feel that, like, because you got like a product that they might not have used before, that they have those questions, or do you believe that in general it's something that we need to keep doing, educating the crew on maintenance of paint, etc.? Do you feel that there's still things to be won?
Definitely. I think there's a lack of knowledge amongst crew on how to properly maintain a yacht, which products they should use, even the accessories. For example, we once had a situation in which one of the crews on a boat was trying to get rid of some scratches or like some products, and they were using even a Scotix kind of a sponge, and we were quite shocked in thinking how could they be thinking that would be okay to use, because obviously they're scratching the coating of the paint. So little simple things like that are common knowledge that I think crew should know. So we're trying to educate them in that sense.
Good, and we'll continue with the education, because I've got some questions but we're not obviously on, well, what are the tips and tricks to maintain your paint as good as possible? Thank you so much, Sara.